Hey everyone, welcome to Knoll Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to recover deleted photos on your iPhone, step by step. First, open the Photos app. On the bottom of the screen, tap on Collections. Now scroll down a bit until you see Recently Deleted and tap on it. If you've locked your album, then unlock it by tapping on View Album. Here, you'll find all the photos and videos that were deleted within the last 30 days. Tap Select in the top right corner, then choose the photos or videos you want to get back. Once selected, tap on three-dot icon on top right corner. Then it shows two options, Delete and Recover. Tap Recover and confirm by tapping Recover again. Give it a second and your photos will be restored to your main photo library. If you want all the photos and images to recover at once, then tap on Select again, then three-dot icon, tap on Recover All to recover all the photos and videos at once. If you want to delete, then do the same procedure. And that's it. Your deleted photos should now be back on your iPhone. You're now ready to access your recovered photos and keep them safe. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy iPhone tips and how-to guides.